Welcome to the Make Your Excel Look Like a Standalone Program course. Within the next videos, we're going to learn how to turn a normal Excel spreadsheet that you could be using on a daily basis, whether at work, university, or even at home, into what would look exactly like a standalone program. This will involve learning how to create buttons and give them certain functions, how to automatically hide all the Excel tools and bars for your specific sheet, and several other steps for your spreadsheet to look like a normal computer application. We will even learn how we can eliminate the Excel loading screen for a specific sheet and how to change its icon to any photo that you choose for your program. And what's really good about this course is that it doesn't require you to have any previous coding experience, and you wouldn't need to learn any programming in order to do this by yourself, which is really great because some of us do not have the time to learn a programming language, but you might need to create your own program based on a simple idea that you have in mind. This could be a program that does a certain task that would save you a lot of time at work, which could help advance your career. We have also tried to make this course as short as we possibly could because we understand how challenging it can be to find enough time to learn new skills that could be really beneficial. So you will be basically learning how to do all of this within about 30 minutes.